Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
A new year brings with it a new opportunity, but if we keep doing the same things that we did unsuccessfully in the previous year, then we are going to see the same results. So, this year I have teamed up with marketer Ronnie Rocksmith to bring you the ultimate success pack to start 2025. We have also kept the price as low as humanly possible because we know everyone has run out of money after the holiday season, but only if you pick it up during the launch period. So, what's included inside New Year Success Kit? Well, first up, we're going to give you a great daily traffic package throughout 2025. We will send traffic to any URL of your choice from 10 different traffic sources and continue to send it daily all year. We've even included a brand new traffic source that we've added just for this launch. Next, we're including some great training on how to get ahead with AI in 2025. You will discover how to keep ahead of all the latest developments in this fast-moving environment and how to monetize new opportunities as they come online. We'll also show you a completely free way to get recurring monthly commissions every single month while only ever having to do the work once. Plus, we'll point you to the places where you can get all of the online tools you could possibly need to run your online business, including an autoresponder, either for free or for next to nothing. In fact, there are so many tools and resources inside that there isn't even room to mention everything here. But don't delay. The super low price will only be available during the launch period. Plus, the brand new traffic rotator is currently lying empty. So make sure you add your URL to it before everyone else starts jumping on this. So, in 2025, don't leave anything to chance and don't keep repeating the same old, same old. Join Ronnie and me inside and let's make this new year one to remember. We'll see you on the inside.